Hey, this is Marion with Donovan, and I'm going to ask you some question about the famous Pelican Grill restaurant here in Montego Bay. So, Donovan, can you tell me about the history of the background of Pelican Grill?
Okay, Pelican Grill was started in 1964. It was a small joint where you do burgers and milkshake and the famous banana split and fruit melon. And people from all over, from Kingston, like Sundays come down regular for the fruit melon and jumbo malt and burgers.
Okay, and so what are the most popular dishes that your customer request?
Okay, our famous dishes, most of the people go for the ackee and sausage like on a regular breakfast morning with the fried dumpling, yam, banana, plantain. We also do mackerel rundown on a Sunday with festival and stuff like that and bami. And for lunch, we have the famous stew peas with beef and pig's tail, curry goat and oxtail. Typical Jamaican
So
church.
how does the restaurant implement the local ingredients into all these fabulous dishes?
Our ingredients is made from our owners. We don't buy ingredients from nowhere. We make our own ingredients from scratch, just like our burgers. So our ingredients we use like the pineapple skins and the jerk sauce and make it from scratch. So it's really that's what Pelican Standard is all about. No one else like the Pelican.
Okay, can you tell about maybe some of the most memorable customer experience? Have you ever had any celebrities?
We have famous celebrity like Eddie Murphy. We have famous basketball players like Papi Ewing and those people pass through. And from the cruise ship, we have a lot of people from the cruise ship come out.
So one last question, just I know we just had Hurricane Melissa. Was the restaurant affected by it?
Well, thank you for asking about that. After this time, we opened 3 days after, so.
Oh wow.
We are one of the most outstanding restaurant and we really appreciate it. Look at this place here and our staff here. Believe me, it's one of the most. Yeah, 3 days of the restaurant, 3 days of the storm, we're ready.
Okay. Okay.
So last year, we were the most.
That's outstanding, and I do love people here who have the best fried dumpling and hello and saltfish.
And that you come forward to a breakfast with us and we all appreciate it, okay? Thank you very much, alright?
Okay. Thank you for your time. God bless.
You would enjoy your breakfast with us, okay?
Thank you, Donovan.
Oh, you want to create content?
Here's my dear friend Shawnette, who is dining with me. Hey, girl. So, how did you enjoy your meal?
It was lovely.
What did you like about it?
The ackee and sausage, the callaloo, and the fried dumpling. Oh my god.
But how is it different from anywhere else?
It's always different. The taste just tastes different.
Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Bye.
You can take meat there, yes. I'll put it for your page.